In recent times, there have been talks going between senior military commanders of India and China to find a solution to the 17-month-long standoff in the mountains of eastern Ladakh that have run into troubles because the two sides were blaming each other for the deadlock. We will try and understand in this video what really China wants from India by holding this standoff. Hello learners, I welcome you all to Learn to Empower. The line that divides India and China is called the line of actual control. The line of actual control is a notional demarcation line that separates Indian controlled territory from Chinese controlled territory in the Sino-Indian border dispute. It is different from the borders claimed by each country in the Sino-Indian border dispute. The Indian claims include the entire Aksai Chin and Chinese claim includes entire Arunachal Pradesh. These claims are not included in the actual control. The line of actual control is generally divided into three sectors. The western sector between Ladakh on the Indian side and the Tibet and Xinjiang autonomous regions on the Chinese side. The middle, mostly undisputed sector between Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh on the Indian side and the Tibetan autonomous region on Chinese side. The eastern sector between Arunachal Pradesh on the Indian side and Tibet autonomous region on Chinese side. Now, the standoff between Indian Army and Chinese Army is in the hot spring areas of eastern Ladakh. The Chinese are concerned that India's emphasis on infrastructure building in areas near the line of actual control in Ladakh and line of control in both Ladakh and Jammu Kashmir are part of a long-term military strategy. Simply put, China does not want India to claim the territories that its all-weather friend Pakistan occupy through invasion. Pakistan has almost a third of what was state of Jammu and Kashmir in Mirpur, Muzaffarabad, Gilgit Wazarat and tribal territories. After gaining control of Gilgit Wazarat and adjoining territories, Pakistan named its northern areas of Pakistan. Later, Pakistan renamed it Gilgit-Baltistan. This is the region through which the China-Pakistan economic corridor passes, in what India says is a violation of its sovereignty. By building infrastructure in these areas, China has officially approved an illegally occupied region as Pakistan's territory. So, to secure its economic interest as part of its ambitious One Belt, One Road initiative, China is really assertive about its development, and this military standoff is a reflection of this. I want you to comment on what you think of China and India standoff in Ladakh region. For more awesome videos like this, like, share and subscribe. Till then, take care.